you doing, buddy? Are you ready to roll? Oh, he's even got the frog on there. Yeah. Sweet. All right. I'm gonna get this thing out of here real quick. All righty then. Let's hit the water and catch some beer. What did I say? Catch some. How about I said catch some beer? Yeah. Beer and bass, baby. Beer and bass. BASSnBEER. Yeah, have no fear. Just kidding. Alrighty then. Hold on, let me put my keys in here. I wonder how bad keys. Boom. Oh yeah, mine's kind of hidden. Wallet. Down there, and boom. Back and get mine. Hold on, let me get my cold beverages here.
Hey, put that backpack in the middle to even it out. The weight.
Think so? Oh, okay. I need my fishing rods. Fishing rods. Check. Bro. Paddle. Check. Are we gonna be able to do both?
No.
You don't think so?
No.
Really?
Yeah.
Try. Real men carry both. Oh yeah. A little heavy. Not too bad though. I had the view from this camera, it's so sweet. BASSnBEER. Cheers, my friends. These little aluminum canisters are perfect, dude. They keep your beverages nice and cold. Yeah, buddy. Oh, we're gonna get on them. There's no ifs, ands, buts about it. Nah, we always just toss them back. We just toss them back. I'm with you. There, first cast, buddy. First cast. Topwater jig. This is a smallmouth. Damn it, man. Yeah. He got off. He threw the hook right there. How about that, bro? First cast on the topwater jig. I was like, I'm gonna throw the little topwater. First cast, dude. Right on the rocks. That's freaking sweet. That was sweet, bro. Let's try it again. That probably messed him up right there on that spot. I said that probably messed me up right there back on that exact spot. Easy. There we go. Really? Smallmouth or largemouth? Yeah, I think it is a smallmouth. Yep. I caught a nice one in here the other day. Sweet. Put it up here, Johansson. See it? Yeah. Broke the ice.
Yeah. I need a picture of that.
Yeah, definitely. Most definitely, brother. Let me see. Oh, you're gonna step your game up, catch up on me, Bubba. I'm just kidding.
Yeah,
that's nice.
That's an alright fish, man. I'll take that all day.
Let me see. I'll bump you.
Bro.
Yeah. Nice.
Bigger.
Yeah, you can actually reel it. It goes under just a little bit, and then its feet kind of kick. Pretty groovy. Oopsie daisy. That ain't no good. And this looks like a really good spot. Looks amazing. We're gonna give it a go here. Give me a sip of my brewski real quick, and then we're gonna see what happens. All right. I'm gonna see if we can get us over here on some fish real quick. No luck whatsoever. I'm gonna work my way up a little bit more up this creek. Man, you would think this would be ideal fishing out here. I mean, logs and stumps in the water, and rocks on the side, brush and bushes hanging over the edges. Either I've got the wrong bait. This is kind of murky water. So I've got the darker bluish purple June bug, which seems like would be, I've had pretty good luck on it so far. So you would think that this would work, but I don't know. Oh, I see a lot of rock up through here. That's usually where I can do the best at, on the side when there's rock on the side. Ooh, I thought I had a bite. I think I just got caught on a limb. I'm gonna flick this worm over the side a little bit, underneath these bushes by this rock facing, and see what I can do here. Cut off. There's a little bitty old largemouth. Yeah. There it is. I got it that time. Get up here. I know it. Yeah, he got off, but I yanked him into the boat. Little guy. I yanked him into the boat. I yanked him. He landed up here on top of the kayak. Look at that little guy. Hey, I'll take it. I'll take it, buddy. Yeah, this little mini rod, little micro rod. Hey, I guess it's perfect for these little guys. Makes it funner. Hey, I'll take it, man. Still fun. Finally. That one got off a minute ago. Got that one in the boat. Yeah. Right up on the rocks, just like at the other spot. Right, it's got it like right on the edge, man. Sweet. Boom, I'll take it. Ah, a little red-eye bass. I was hunting, my drag wasn't. Oh, shoot, he just laid there. Oh, now he's trying to yeah, good stuff. Take it. See it, Matt? Little red-eye bass. Dude, I'm telling you, I know when I hit it on that wall, I can just feel it, dude. Like I know, like they're gonna hit. Like it's that perfect pass. Ooh. Ah! He just brought my line, took my worm and everything. I seen him. I had him at the edge of the boat. I seen him. He pulled. He dove straight down, took my hook and worm and off. I can't believe that. At about this point here, we weren't having much luck anymore. Broke the line on this rod. Broke the line on my small micro rod. Kept getting hung up in the rocks at the cliff facing there, and pretty much decided to pack it up and head on back to the ramp. Call it a day. Alright, time to head back. Let's cruise on down the river.